Hey y'all, Real Deal at Akins, Wild Willies Custom Accessories, Ranger action. We got a Covert Ranger here, Iconic Silver, 2021 XLT. You know, we don't get as many Rangers in as we would like to have, and every time we get that special one, I like to scoop it up and do a custom package. We did the Cactus Gray not too long ago. It was like 2 days and gone, so we got high hopes for this one. Let's get right to it, y'all. So we've got XLT platform, so price point wise we're starting off at a better point than if you had a Lariat, so forth. Up front, obviously you can tell we did some custom emblem work to really make it a true custom for us. We got the blue to black and the chrome Iconic Silver. Now Iconic Silver is one of my favorite colors. It just looks so premium, luxurious and sporty at the same time. We've got a Roush Fox 2-inch suspension leveling kit system, the coilover. It's a great option. We love this one. Very similar setup as the F-150 kits that we do. You got your coilover there, ride quality at a premium, just a great way to go on a true level stance. And we're leveled on 33s, y'all. So we got 33-inch tires via 285/70/17 Toyo Open Country AT3, that latest and greatest all-terrain tire from Toyo. Looks great. We've got fuel ripper wheels, 17x9. Now this is kind of a mix between it's a newer wheel. It's kind of an off-road style wheel. Would work well on a Jeep as well. And I like that we did 17. We've done 20s on the Rangers in the past. That's a great setup as well, but wanted to do something that was a little bit more capable as far as off-road. Just had that look to where it has it's more of an off-road theme to it. We've got a sport package here, so you got some body color accents going on throughout. So we wanted to flow it nicely with a good black wheel to complement the overall package that this vehicle brings to the table. So out back, y'all, we've got rear wheel well liners as well. Akins liner, guaranteed for life. And then out here in the back, of course, that custom badge to tie it all together. Looks great. Now our mild to wild scale, as far as our wheel and tire setup, you know, we're sticking out probably a good 2.5 inches, essentially because of the offset that we chose here and the 285 width on the tire. So let me know what you think about this overall stance and setup. We've ran a slightly bigger tire in the past with a more positive offset and a slightly narrower wheel with a 275 width. So want to just be a little bit more aggressive on this setup. We've got visions and plans for everything that we do. It's not just like we're throwing things together. And this one, in my mind, was going to be something that had a more of an off-road vibe to it, but a great ride quality and looks with zero rubbing or trimming going on. And you still get great features like blind spot monitor on the XLT here. And then on the inside, got cloth seating on the XLT. I like the center console shifter, and then you got your 4-wheel drive, 4 high-low and 2 high modes as well. Got the 8-inch touchscreen as well. Good look out back. Now for those of you that are wondering about Ranger fitment, I'm gonna jump back here and show you. So it's definitely tighter than a 150, and I would even say that it is slightly less legroom than Tacoma, the competitor for this segment. But still, I believe, y'all, that the Ford truck, the Ford Ranger, is what I would pick over a Tacoma. This is the direct competition for the Tacoma. So doing some covert action definitely helps, and I love it. And y'all, the Ranger has phenomenal turning radius. So check out how I'm making this work right here in this short spot. The F-150 or the Ram 1500, that would not work. So great turning radius on the Ranger, especially even with some covert, bigger wheel and tire action. So the Ford Ranger, y'all, it's a great segment vehicle. I'm so glad that they brought it back a few years ago. It's been a great one for us, and we are trying to complement the Ranger by bringing value. So in my mind, when this one sells, I plan to do one that's got more of an overland vibe, maybe even more off-road capable side to it. Do some upper and lower control arm swap out components, maybe do some different tie rod components as well, stuff that's going to definitely make it more capable off-road. And then we can go on the other side and do a 2-wheel drive and do like a 20-inch wheel setup that has more of a street vibe to it. So we got a lot of plans for the Ranger, so stay tuned for that, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more Ranger action right here at Wild Willies at Akins. You know I'm the real deal because I love what I do, and we got everything auto for you taken care right here at Akins in Winder, Georgia. Thanks so much.